Alright, so I'm just gonna go. Um, Topic is flat Earth, okay? And I got everything written down. I want so um, I'm gonna go over this. I've been working on this for a while. The date on there is 9/20/17, so that's September 20th of 2017 is when I finished. But anyway, are you living for God? How do you know? How do I know I'm doing Father's will or the Father's will? Okay, I've been nervous for a while, and I realized this is why I'm so nervous, because when I got shot, I prayed to God out loud, please help me. I've been doing good. I've been preaching your word. I got more people to preach to, and you can't let this happen. And that was kind of the prayer that I prayed. And so I feel like I get shaky now because I'm nervous. I was supposed to been done doing this. I was supposed to been done this. But anyway, when I was 27-year-old, I discovered Dr. Dino. This blew my mind. I even went to his live seminar when he was in Anchorage. Meeting him, I was dumbfounded by his presence. I shook his hand and froze up. I felt like a kid meeting a superhero. I can remember being in jail and speaking on things I learned from his videos. Even though I didn't believe in evolution, I was sometimes called Mr. Evolution. I debate anyone. I will and still do. I know some have different views and ideas, and we tend to disagree and even mock and ridicule people that for what you think they think. We mock and ridicule people for what you think they think. You know, you don't even know what they're thinking, and you ridicule and mock these people. Some say we just agree to disagree. Yeah. Where did I stop at? Sorry. I say no, and so does the Bible. Even the stars are not neutral, for they declare his glory. Y'all could quote me on that. That's not verbatim, but it says that. And not only that, the heavens show his handiwork. See, there's such cognitive dissonance that we only refuse pure. We not only refuse. Excuse me. We not only refuse peer-reviewed proof and solid evidence that we mock the idea, then make a fool of the person that brings up the topic. Flat Earth, Columbus discovered America, circumnavigation, not only this way, but this way around the world, from north to south, south to north. They said they went around this world. Well, you could have went around a pie and don't even understand what you're thinking. Okay? Listen. When they circumnavigated the earth back then, they just went around the block the long way. Think about it. What is pseudoscience? I'll wait. It's a collection of beliefs or practices mistakenly regarded as being based on scientific method. I'll say it again, because this right here is a sermon in itself. Pseudoscience. A collection of beliefs or practices mistakenly regarding as being based on scientific method. So they're lies. Bottom line, it's a lie. Pseudoscience is a mantra that they now believe. There's 6 types of evolution: micro, macro, chemical, cosmic, organic, and stellar evolution. Micro is variations of the kind horse, zebra, donkey, mule. Animals, plants, changing from one type to another. Animals and plants changing from one thing to another. That's macro science. So you got a leaf that turns into a tree, that turns into a field of grass that pops up bugs and stuff now. They're saying that's evolution. It just magically happens. That's pseudoscience. Chemical evolution. That's saying all chemicals came from hydrogen. All chemicals did not come from hydrogen. You can't get all chemicals from one chemical. It don't work like that. God said let there be, and there was. And moving on. Organic evolution. That's saying life begins from infinite matter. Pseudoscience. Organic evolution is pseudoscience. Stellar evolution. That's saying stars and planets form from gas clouds. Pseudoscience. Moving on. I'll say it once again. There's 6 types of evolution and only one is real. Only one is real. Okay? If the earth is billions of years old, why is the oldest tree 4,300 years old? Why is the largest and oldest desert 4,300 years old? The Great Barrier Reef 4,300 years old. And these were all done by government officials. The government went out and made a group of people go out and study the Sahara Desert over there in Africa, the Great Barrier Reef over there in Australia, and the world oldest tree over there in Ireland. They went to go see how old they are, and they all came up with the same number. Okay? 4,300. 1 Thessalonians 5:21 says, investigate all things, hold fast to that which is good. 2 Timothy 4:3 says that they will not endure sound doctrine. They're going to turn away from truth. Pseudoscience turns away from truth. Powerful delusion. That word is mentioned twice. Once in Isaiah and once in 2 Thessalonians. Powerful delusion that even the elect will be deceived. It says that. Okay? I'm going to just move on. Okay? The curvature of the earth. If you all know the math, it's 1 mile equals 8 inches. 2 miles equals 32 inches. 3 miles equals 6 feet. 7 miles, that's 32 feet. And when I say miles and then feet, that's how much bend is there. That's how much bend is there. So I'm gonna come back. Like and share this video for more.